When I decided to leave the federal government full-time, it ended up becoming quite a fight. I was one person trying to request information that I was entitled to under the federal statute, going up against an organization that had unlimited time and resources. This experience provided me a greater understanding of the challenges that my clients go through as they themselves attempt to maintain their livelihood, their careers, and the things that they hold close and dear. When you are on the other side, you need to be willing to hold the government accountable.
I am the criminal law specialist. Brett is the security clearance specialist. It's sort of a one-stop shop, if you will, at the national security law firm.
I had applied for a position with Customs and Border Protection. Part of that process involves a polygraph exam. My answers to the polygraph raised a red flag, and that's why they came after my security clearance. I felt betrayed. The entire weight of the US government was coming down on top of me. Not having quite 20 years under my belt, if I was separated before I hit that line, then I wouldn't be able to retire. I was immediately just in over my head. Having Brett and Carl on my side was such a tremendous weight lifted off my shoulders. You know, Brett and Carl were both very clear on their instructions and what they needed from me. I couldn't be happier with how my case turned out, and I couldn't have asked for more than that.
You don't enter the federal government because you plan to get rich. You enter the federal government because you want to make a difference in the world.
I can't imagine anything more disturbing for a service member than being told you're a criminal. That's why it's of the utmost importance to get help. I assure you, we will do everything that we can to prove to the government that you are not a criminal.
We will not rest until we fully advocate, litigate, and articulate what our clients' issues are.
If you're calling our office, then that means you have signed up to fight for the country when it needs you the most. Let the national security law firm fight for you when you need it the most.